And more than 800 students are still yet to return to the Anchovy High School following the passage of Hurricane Melissa, and the third staging of the Mobay night run will be looking to help in changing that fact. Anchovy High School was badly damaged during the hurricane in October. Howard Ward of the Howard Ward Benefit Foundation visited the school recently.
It was a frightening sight based on the board members. Classrooms gone, limited places for children to learn, so we decided to take on the challenge of assisting with the rebuilding and restoration. Currently, I spoke to Dr. Stewart a few minutes ago, and 800 students is still outplaced, can't attend school because there's not enough classroom. I think this should really reach everybody across Jamaica that help is needed.
Ward is asking for support.
Children is the future leaders for generations to come, not just this generation, but generations to come. Therefore, I'm seeking the support, all the support we can get from corporate Jamaica and everyday citizens. And this is a plea for help from my heart.
Despite having the same start and end points at the Harmony Beach Park, the Montego Bay Night Run will take a new route this year.
All right, this year we are using a different route. We're not going in that direction, we're going in that direction. All right, so we're going from Jimmy Cliff onto Howard Cook, turning down by the police station, heading back into the park.
The race is held annually with proceeds assisting students in high schools and tertiary institutions. All right, it's time for a break on Primetime Sports Friday. Stay with us. Still a lot more to come.